Hello there. And this is where me and my friend witnessed something crazy. An earthquake located in Queensland. So, let's go.
Right? Really nice.
Oi,
Yo, what?
This is when the earthquake began and me and my friend was recording. So, let's begin the clip.
my fucking chair just started shaking.
Yo, bro, someone was shaking my house.
It's just an earthquake.
Huh?
I think there was just a mini earthquake.
I know, because something's shaking in my house as well.
Did you hear that door shake?
What?
Yeah.
What was it, you?
No.
Welcome to an earthquake.
Oh my god!
At this point in the video, me and my friend realised there was an earthquake going on. By the way, my friend lives in Burpengary East, to the east of me. I live in Caboolture and we were affected by this earthquake at the moment. In the past, only a couple days ago, there was an earthquake happening in Cairns, Melbourne, and a couple other areas.
No, that was we caught that on camera.
No.
We caught that on camera.
Wait, my dad saw it in my
Recording?
recording off because I'm
That's short. Okay, so.
my sliding doors started to shake or my cupboard door shake.
You heard that, right?
Yeah, and my thingy just started to, and my chair started to shake too. I was like, what the hell? And then I was like, oh, that's a mini earthquake.
We caught that on 4K as well.
Well, you did. I did.
Yeah, I caught that on 4K, guys.
No, I feel like it's still going because my legs are shaking.
That had to be a mini earthquake.
Wait. I'll be AFK for a second. I'm texting my mum.
Nah, that had to be something.
Wait.
I literally I have this in 4K, guys. You guys probably don't know. Was that a mini? No, I had to go on the news. Oh, yo, we witnessed this in 4K. Screw the survival. We literally witnessed that 4K, guys. Marcela Montoya.
No, we're shaking.
No, oh, me too. No, go on this news.
My sister was on the phone with her fiance.
Yeah.
They got married not too, but then they actually haven't had their thingies.
Yo,
No.
that had to be something.
Wait, no.
Hold up. No.
Look, it is. Oh, no. Estimated magnitude 5.2. That's a heavy.
What?
5.2 there. Sunshine Coast.
There's a 5.2 magnitude
That was
earthquake.
it was. Wait, there could be aftershocks.
Oh shit.
Anyway.
This isn't good.
It's not that bad. I think. Right? So it hit up at your feet.
No, that was. Shut the door. Thank you. No, bro. Did you see that?
Nothing to see. It's just the thing.
That was crazy.
Wow, one fuck.
Baxton.
So what would you think from my mom?
That was a 5.3 magnitude earthquake.
Magnitude.
Yeah.
I'm texting my mom. No. There may be a few more little shakes.
It's that on 4K. No, we have that on 4K. Hold the phone. Hold up. Everything started shaking, guys.
Yo, I was like, fucking happening. And then 2 seconds later, I was like, I'm about to fucking die.
No way. Stupid game. That was crazy. No, that was an earthquake. That had to be. As usual, has heard something rumbling out. I still feel like it's shaking.
My God. Apparently, it was 141 kilometer away. Oh, wow. So that's how far it went. 141 kilometers from Cyprus to us.
That was insane.
No, but I swear to God, it just starts shaking and I'm getting under my desk.
Dude, we witnessed that on 4K.
Yeah.
That we have
I
footage.
can't believe I've been in an earthquake.
Hold on, I have to research it, guys. That is crazy. We're upstairs. Oh my goodness, guys, we have just witnessed something. We have it all on video too. Look, I had everything recorded.
Wait, I just have my snack story. Anyone in earthquake? No.
No, I was sitting and I heard stuff shaking upstairs and was like,
Oh, I was saying my chair started to do this.
wow, I'm sure some areas like got a full on earthquake.
And those sliding doors started to shake.
Hold up, guys. I'm gonna have to replay the footage. Replay the footage. Hold on, I'm gonna edit. I'm gonna put footage in, guys. That's crazy. The fact that we also got it on video is insane.
Wait, I need food. I'm gonna die.
Okay, I got some food here. I totally detached from the game.
No, I've never been in an earthquake. We should.
One in Melbourne yesterday, so it's come up, but this is pretty big, man. Fucking heck.
No, that was insane.
Bro, I thought I was gonna die.
Now, hold on.
No, literally.
Apparently, there's supposed to be aftershocks.
Yeah, there will be.
There was a earthquake yesterday in Melbourne. Blah. I can't even play this game, but I'm still thinking of it.
Me too. Wait, my mate, Mateo, my footy mate, he lived down in Great Park where my club is, and he felt that too. That's like half an hour away from me. After all, that's closer to Sunny Coast.
Yo. Hold on. That was crazy. We have just witnessed an earthquake, guys. This is crazy. Hold on. Actual insanity, guys. Actual insanity. And I'm messaging my mum as we speak, guys. Hold on. That was insane.
Wait, I was texting my sister just then. I said yeah, but if there's aftershock, I'm going under my desk.
It still feels like it's shaking. I don't know if that's me.
You know Levi Law in year 4?
Yo.
Yeah, he felt that.
No, I'm getting. Yo, nah. No way, Robbie.
Just go check on my dog real quick.
We witnessed that in 4K. Hold on, guys. I'm going upstairs. Hold on.
Okay? Okay? You alright, mate? You alright? We had to have felt that too. Take it again. I'm outside. No, I'm kidding.
That was crazy.
I know.
I can't get over it.
This is the thing about all my 10%.
And the fact that we got it in 4K as well. We can like send this to people. We
Wait.
captured the earthquake 4K.
Good disaster.
No, I'm messaging. Hold on, I'm messaging James right now. Hold on, I'm gonna see if he heard it as well.
Yo.
Actual earthquake.
Wait, I never got outside during an earthquake because it's not like the not all not like the cloud.
No, honestly, I didn't even know there was an earthquake at the time until I started hearing freaking stuff shaking.
Yeah,
Oh my!
Satan was. I'm gonna die.
How was it?
No, telling you, that's how I actually felt.
But we didn't even have any warning as well.
No,
Obviously.
and on my iPhone, I would have got a earthquake one maybe.
Do you have anything we can publish this on?
Yes.
What, TikTok? No.
What, TikTok?
Okay.
Snapchat.
I'll send you our clip of when we had the earthquake. I'll send it to you and you put it on like
No,
TikTok.
Just send me the whole video of the Just send me the whole video of when I was playing and I crop the timer on the thing.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing, yeah.
I'm actually so nervous right now.
Should we just end the video?
Yo, end the video.
Okay, end the video. Guys, this is crazy. Yo, peace out, everyone. Peace out, everyone. This has been a crazy experience. Hold on. Alright, so this is our over 90 nights journey. Peace out. We witnessed an earthquake, and bye.
Ay, she's a runner, she's a track star. She gon' run away when it gets hard. She can't take the pain, she can't get scarred. She hurt anyone that gets involved.